back to my channel. I'm gonna prepare it today. Ackee and saltfish and white rice. You all know white rice and ackee and saltfish nice. But I'm gonna prepare it. I just took the ackee out of the fridge, just like it look like this. Still thawing out. It was in the freezer, so I get it out. So I'm gonna hooks them. I'm gonna take out the seeds and the red pieces, see it? Like this. Yeah guys, get my ackee sort out, and most of them meal are nice, you know. See it. So we do it. Yeah, I get my saltfish washed off, so it's full of salt. Look at it, full of salt. Get it washed off, put it on, make it go and cook. I mean, I cook it with the ackee, you know. Put the ackee in the same pot, and I have to get the salt off it, you know. I don't want too much salt on it, I know well salt, so I have to make sure I wash it thoroughly. Get it, you know. I want it. That's it. Like, look, fatty. Yeah, man. I get my saltfish in the pot, you know. Saltfish there, night. See there? Turn on my stove and a container for wash it. Some people don't wash ackee still, you know, but I don't wash my thing when I deal with it, you see it? So I deal with it, you see it? Throw off water right again, you know. Second time this time I just put the water in it now where I use cook it. Like well salt, so when I want the ackee too salt, we put the ackee in it, you understand? That's how we deal with it. Get everything up, you see it? Well the water now when they start boil up now, I just get the ackee in it, you know? Yeah. A blessed man. I get in my ackee in the pot now, you know? Yeah. Go and start out. That done cook you now. Just deal with my saltfish, cut up my season and do everything. I put on the rice in the process still, you know. You see me? Yeah, my people, I get my seasoning prepared for my saltfish, you know. Get some sweet pepper in. The onion up and running. Hot scotch bonnet. Yeah, man, the amount of seasoning I'm going on the thing, you know. I'm in ackee pot. I don't know the thing set. See it there? Yeah, I'm a rice pot. Like put some scallion in my pot and get them some thyme on the rice pot, you know. Yeah, I eat that. So my ackee pot look. I get out the saltfish out of it, you know. Put in one container up and get it ready for the pot. See it. Think professional, you know. See it there? I get some butter in the rice, you know. I know we have put little butter in the rice pot. See it, go right to the pot, you know. Then wash my rice, you know. Get it in the pot. Get in rice, you know. Yeah, a little stir. And then on a medium flame, I can go and cook, you know. That's it. I'm not really cook nothing else now. I want to worry about oil now. Pick up the saltfish already. Yeah. Okay. The seasoning now. Alright, ready. Get in the saltfish, you know. Throw in the ackee, you know. Alright. Some black pepper. I know them thing you have to eat the black pepper, you see me? Nice, maybe the black pepper, you know. And some complete seasoning I use for it, you know. You must stir. And you want to stir to mash up the ackee, you know. So we have to take time and wait, you know. Yeah. Look nice and people don't. Look nice with the white rice too, man. Right, look. Wow. A little stir, you know. Yeah, boy. Rice pot look nice. It go on steam, you know. Don't know things set. No? So the thing come down, you know. Get them up and running, myself up and running. Up and running, me I get the planting up and running. Ackee and saltfish and white rice, I do it. Then the meal is sweet. Let's check it out, the people. The meal is sweet. Right there. And people, I get out the plant out of the pot now, you know. Nice and brown. You know, people. So it look beautiful. See it? I'm begging you for do, please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, please. If I have not thumbs up, please thumbs up, please. See it? It's a whole Jamaican thing. Ackee and saltfish and white rice. One nice so. People, them have food are authentic, you know? Nice. You know, them food are have to eat every day, you know? Planting. Tell a friend, you see it? So you think come down, you know. Please and thanks. Love on the people, love on them. Yeah.